Passive income ideas for anyone. This is a financial term that refers to earnings generated with minimal or no active involvement from the earner. Often compared to active income, passive income streams provide the opportunity to diversify sources of revenue, while requiring minimal daily effort. The appeal of passive income lies in the prospect of creating a sustainable and growing income, ultimately granting individuals more freedom and flexibility in their lives. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Real estate rentals. Passive income ideas are essential for building stability and achieving financial goals. This concept revolves around generating earnings without constantly putting in effort. This differs from traditional wages obtained through regular jobs, enabling potential entrepreneurs and investors to diversify their income. By exploring various passive income strategies, you can identify the best options suited for you, and grow your wealth carefully and consistently. Number 2. Sell online ebooks. Ebooks have emerged as a popular passive income idea in recent years. They offer an accessible platform to share their knowledge, stories, and expertise with a global audience. When carefully crafted and marketed, an ebook can generate consistent revenue over time, without requiring continuous effort from the author. Number 3. Vending machines. Vending machines offer a promising avenue for generating passive income. By placing these machines in strategic, high-traffic locations, entrepreneurs can earn revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Proper maintenance and stocking of the machines can ensure a steady stream of income, increasing financial stability over time. Number 4. Rent your tools. Most people who don't wish to invest in expensive tools can conveniently rent them, and return after use. By leasing out your unused equipment, you can generate a steady stream of revenue without much effort. This not only allows you to monetize items that would otherwise sit idle, but also provides a valuable service to those in need of specific tools, for a limited period. As a result, tool rental presents a mutually beneficial opportunity for both the owner and the renter, creating an appealing and efficient business model. Number 5. Sell stock photos. In today's digital age, selling stock photos has emerged as an increasingly popular passive income idea. With the constant demand for high-quality images across a variety of industries, photographers can capitalize on their skills, and create an additional source of revenue. Stock photography platforms make it easier for photographers to reach potential buyers, while maintaining control over their creative work. As a result, many are discovering the benefits of participating in this lucrative market niche. Number 6. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks represent a valuable opportunity for investors seeking passive income. By investing in companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders, investors can enjoy a steady stream of income, while still benefiting from potential capital appreciation. This combination of consistent cash flow and potential growth makes dividend stocks an appealing asset class for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios. Number 7. Dropshipping. This online business model allows entrepreneurs to sell products without the need to maintain inventory or handle shipping logistics. By partnering with reliable suppliers, one can create a seamless shopping experience for customers, while enjoying the benefits of low overhead costs. The potential for scalability and financial growth makes dropshipping an attractive option for anyone seeking a supplementary income source or even a full-time career. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. With a focus on promoting products and services of various brands online, you can earn commissions based on their referrals purchases. This marketing strategy enables you to generate a steady flow of income, without actively participating in the daily operations of a business. Affiliate marketing makes it possible to capitalize on your online presence, creating a mutually beneficial relationship between the marketers and the companies they represent. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Storage rentals. This method of generating income has gained popularity in recent years, as people seek convenient ways to store their personal belongings. Not only do storage rental facilities provide a secure environment for customers, but they also allow owners to benefit from a steady stream of revenue. By investing in this type of business, you can create wealth, while meeting the growing demand for storage solutions. Number 10. List your place on Airbnb. This platform connects hosts with travelers seeking affordable and unique accommodations worldwide. By maximizing the use of your living space and providing a comfortable environment for guests, you can establish a successful Airbnb listing. Additionally, carefully managing the rental process and ensuring excellent hospitality will contribute to your host reputation and attract more bookings in the long run. Number 11. A side business. Having a side business can be an excellent passive income idea, providing an additional stream of cash with minimal effort. Side businesses often allow individuals to utilize their skills and interests, which in turn can result in a fulfilling and potentially lucrative endeavor. A successful side business has the potential to scale and eventually become a primary source of income, offering even greater benefits and rewards. Number 12. Sell a product. By identifying a niche market or a product in high demand, this allows you to create a sustainable business model that requires minimal ongoing effort. This approach creates the potential for wealth, while allowing the seller to maintain focus on other personal or professional endeavors. In today's digital age, leveraging online platforms and marketing tools greatly facilitates the process of selling products, further solidifying it as a viable passive income option. Number 13. Laundromat. By automating key tasks such as coin collection, utility management and regular maintenance, owners can create a streamlined business that generates earnings, with minimal direct involvement. Additionally, due to the essential nature of laundry services, this passive income stream is often perceived as recession-proof, making it an attractive option for those seeking stability in their investments. Number 14. Selling on Amazon. Selling on Amazon has become a popular method for generating passive income in recent years. With the vast customer base that the platform provides, many entrepreneurs have found success by offering unique products or capitalizing on trending items. Utilizing Amazon's fulfillment services can streamline the process, allowing sellers to focus on marketing and expanding their product lines. Indeed, this e-commerce powerhouse has created opportunities for countless individuals to build a sustainable income source, without sacrificing their valuable time. Number 15. Pet sit in your home. This service not only stands out due to the rising demand for personalized pet care, but it also allows pet owners to feel at ease knowing their beloved companions are in familiar surroundings. By creating a trustworthy reputation and offering customizable services, you can maximize your income potential from this endeavor. Number 16. Rent out your car. Renting out your car is another passive income idea. As more people opt for temporary transportation solutions, car owners have the unique opportunity to capitalize on this market demand. By offering your vehicle for rent through various platforms, or car-sharing services, you can generate a steady income stream, without any significant effort on your part. This concept not only benefits car owners, but also serves as an environmentally friendly alternative to purchasing additional vehicles, ultimately reducing the carbon footprint. Number 17. Sell online courses. With the ongoing surge in remote learning, and the continuous need for personal and professional development, the demand for high-quality educational content is at an all-time high. As a result, creating accessible and engaging courses have become a lucrative way to generate passive income. By sharing valuable knowledge, creators can establish a lasting presence in their respective fields, and build a loyal customer base that contributes to their financial success. Number 18. Start a blog. By consistently producing quality content that resonates with readers, a blogger can build a dedicated audience and monetize their platform in various ways, such as advertising or affiliate marketing. This approach not only allows bloggers to share their passions and expertise with others, but also presents the potential for earning a steady stream of revenue with little effort. We hope this list of passive income ideas helps you explore potential opportunities that suit your lifestyle, interests, and financial goals. With the right investment of time and resources, you can find yourself on the path towards greater financial success and freedom. As you delve into these possibilities, it is essential to approach each with careful due diligence and a willingness to adapt as your income strategies evolve. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.